How are you? Good morning.
Good morning today.
Okay. This is Friends Connect. I'm here to speak to you and ask you 1 or 2 questions. So I know you don't mind.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you also.
Okay, bro.
Thank you.
So this is Friends Connect, and I'll be following up through different platforms that you're addressing people and you'll be talking to people about 2 things. So I want you to tell my fans about some experiences you received when you're coming to this country, and what will you advise those people that have 500 to 1 million naira job, which is equivalent to around $500, if they have to move to Europe? What will you tell them? Will you advise them to come, or will you advise them to maintain their work in their country?
Well, it's better you pursue your dreams where you want to pursue your dreams, but preferably if you don't have the means of livelihood or a means of sustaining yourself abroad, it's best you remain at your place and find some local things you could do to generate funds. There are many industries that raises funds. You can go into agriculture, you can go into consultancy services, and you can go into simple buying and selling, which is normal trading. These are things that can raise you up financially. These are other multiple chains of business that can raise you up. It's not all about busting into Europe or a foreign country or Asia, and at the end of the day, you are hanging about in the streets, becoming a nuisance and being frustrated. And by that time, you must have passed time. You wouldn't know what to do. And that's just my simple advice. That's the way I see it.
Okay, do you find more easier making it abroad than back in your country?
Well, making it abroad, it depends on what someone wants to determine. Some people might call making it having chains of business. Some people might call making it building a fancy house. Other people call making it buying a fancy car. Yeah. So it depends on the person's desire. What you want to be in life is determined by you. And how far you can go is the resources available. The resources includes financial resources, social resources, and personal resources available to you. That's just it.
Okay. No problem. Do you have any question you want to ask me?
No, not really.
Okay, nice meeting you. I will come back to you some other times.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.